Every school review you've seen online probably came from somebody that signed up and played around for about a week. I'm going to give you the truth after running a 13,000 member school community that makes over $15,000 a month. I'll tell you what genuinely surprised me, what frustrated me, and an honest take on whether or not you should be on the platform as well. So let's get into it. So let's start with what Skool actually is. As you can see here, it says you can build a community around your passion and get discovered by 25 million users. But what does that actually mean? Well, what it means is that you can, in simpler terms, start a group online about something that you are passionate about or something that you're good at teaching other people about, or both, and get paid for it. It's an alternative education to going to college, to going to a trade school, any sort of thing like that. You can make a full-time income teaching people how to date, or teaching people how to start a business, or teaching women how to lose weight, stuff like that. I'm not even sure what that is, but it's all kinds of different passions on here, and it's a very diverse array of different niches, and that's probably the biggest strength that Skool has. Now, why should you start on Skool versus any other platform, or just starting a business on your own? Well, the reason why Skool is so important is because it lowers the barrier to entry so much for a beginner entrepreneur. When I first started getting into business about 4 or 5 years ago, I had no idea what I was doing, and I didn't even get a single customer because I was so lost, and I had no idea where to find other people that were in my same boat trying to figure it out, sharing ideas and advice and everything like that. And so years later, when I found out about Skool, big man himself, Alex Hormozy, was pushing advertisements for it. I signed up right away, and I immediately found a much different experience. I was able, again, to find people that were in my same boat trying to make it. We could share ideas and advice and everything. And also the resources on the platform to learn how to start your own business, it is incredible. Also, because it's its own platform, they take care of a lot of the different things that go into business that you might not think about. For example, payment processing, or having a place to host your course or your landing page. All of these things, they add up in cost, and they are not very beginner friendly. Skool fixes all of that. I'll also be the first to say I don't have a whole lot of experience on other platforms like Kajabi or High Level or anything like that, so I don't fully know how their experience is. I only know that Skool solved that first barrier to entry just for me and for hundreds of thousands of other people, as you can see, that are now earning collectively over $1 billion a year. In the end, it was really just Alex Hormozy's endorsement of Skool that made me really trust the platform over anything else, because entrepreneurship is a pretty scary place. There are a lot of people out there that can scam you, they can rob you blind, and so having someone that I had been watching for a long time, that I trusted a lot, endorse something like this, made it the obvious choice for me. So here's what Skool gets right. As you can see, this is our community with over 13,000 people, and there is so much going on. It can be a little complicated to look at in the beginning, but as you get started, it becomes really easy to understand what you're looking at. First of all, once you start getting your first members into the community, it's really easy to set up an onboarding process so people can get to know why they're here, what they're doing, how they can succeed by being in your community, and really just help them introduce themselves to the community. The gamification as well, when people engage on the platform and you like their post, they can level up and they can unlock different things. And because they unlock different things, they're very incentivized to engage in the community and with other people. And that creates what's known as sort of the community effect, the community flywheel. People also refer to it as like a guru versus community, whereas in a normal business, you are the guru, right? You are the only person that people pay to watch and see, and you are the expert at the topic. And so what Skool changes about that is the con of being a guru is you are the only person that can serve people. Obviously you and your team, but especially you. People want to see you all the time. It takes a lot out of you. But with the community model, you can have it so that people learn from each other and not just you. People stick around and they continue paying to be in your community, or even if it's a free community, they continue staying into the community. And then once you launch a paid offer, people will pay immediately because they trust you They trust the community. The other people that are very engaged in the community are kind of like your personal little affiliates. They are working for you for free to tell everyone about all of the great things. It's really great word of mouth. So that's a huge thing that Skool gets right. Another thing, like I said, is that Skool brings everything together. So I can have an entire course here that connects to my community and people can talk to each other. They also have a calendar so that I can set up calls. And they even have their own call hosting. So I don't have to pay for any other service. I can just use the Skool call or Skool webinar, which is huge. I mean, other subscriptions, they add up really quickly. They also have it to where you can basically have your payments processed and everything through Stripe that have a lower transaction fee than they would if you were doing it on your own. So you actually get to keep more of your money by working with Skool. It's really, really cool. And also, and another huge thing that Skool gets right is that because it's a whole community platform, you can potentially find your audience on Skool. Now, this doesn't work for every niche, but when you bring people, when other communities bring people onto Skool, they're more likely to start discovering other communities of the other interests that they have. So someone else can bring someone onto Skool, and then they pay for that community and or they pay for your community. So the entire platform is incentivized to keep growing with each other, right? Rising tide raises all boats or whatever. And not only can you get members, you can also get employees. We have a team of about 12 to 13 people, and I'm, head cheese of this. I found it just through Skool by accident. I had no idea that Goosify existed until I got onto the platform. And so that is probably the biggest thing for Skool, that not only do you get to start your own business, but you get to find people that work for you, or if you're someone that's looking for experience, you can work for someone else, and it's super easy. It's an amazing ecosystem. And not only is it an amazing ecosystem, it's also dead simple to use, right? It's amazing for beginners to really, again, lower that barrier to entry. I could not be more grateful or thankful that we have resources like this, because 10 years ago, I'd be shit out of luck. Now, I couldn't make a review without being very, very honest through and through. So here's what Skool gets wrong. First of all, the bugs. As you might notice, we have a couple of posts reported up here by members, and when I click on it, I can't see it. For whatever reason, there are these little bugs here and there that, because Skool is so ambitious and trying to build all these really cool features out, a couple bugs kind of slip through the cracks, and that's kind of expected. I'm sure every platform has their bugs, but it's still something that is a daily frustration for me and my team. The second is it kind of relates to what Skool does right. It's the trade-off of being very simple, very beginner-friendly, and lowering that barrier to entry. There are a lot of features that are missing from Skool and might not ever be there. So we don't have the advanced sort of, like for YouTube, sending someone from YouTube to Skool, I can't track what channel they're coming from. Now, there are more advanced analytics right here, as you can see, but none of them tell me that they come from YouTube. They can't even tell me especially what video that person is coming from, so I can't tell what content is doing well. And then the last really big thing that really relates to the second point is that because all of this is so simple, you have to get other softwares that plug into it, which those subscription costs can add up over time into the hundreds, if not thousands of dollars a month, especially as you scale. And so over time, you're bleeding a little bit just to keep everything afloat, which is actually why we started building our own software and our own tools. Like we built a CRM for Skool called Wingman, but that's a story for another video. So who is Skool for? Well, I'm a person that's very big on my mission, right? I want to make money. I want to save the world. I want to do all kinds of really cool shit. And Skool is the platform that's perfect for me in that regard. I really trust Skool because I know that the people that founded it and continue to work on it are very heavy on that mission as well, of helping 1 billion people find their community. And because of that, it makes me a lot more loyal to the platform, especially long term, because I know that it's not just another platform like any sort of social media website. It's a real place where I can make money as kind of a bonus, but especially I can find my people and I can really find a great identity for myself. Also, another thing I wanted to point out that I forgot to earlier is that Not only is Skool very good on the ecosystem, and like I mentioned before, rising tides raise all boats, but Skool is so insanely helpful, and you can tell that they care about their members because they release features like this, the Growth Boost, which is so innovative. And I think there are other platforms that have done this in the past, but I've never seen it before. And so the way that this works is that Skool runs offsite ads. Right now, it's really just meta ads, so Instagram and Facebook. And whatever members you get, if they start paying you at some point, Skool gets a 30% cut on it, which I know it may sound like 30% is a lot to most people, but for a member that you otherwise would not have gotten, like the 70% that you may or may not have gotten otherwise, I think that's invaluable. Now, who Skool is not for is probably someone that's a lot more advanced, that's a lot more like high ticket. Right now, Skool allows about $100,000 a month per member, which is a lot, but I'm sure there are people that are outside of that, the 0.01%. So you can also see that the UI itself, in accordance with the beginner friendliness, it's also very simple. So if you're somebody that really needs a lot of heavy customization, we've found cool little ways to get around that, like all our colors and emojis and everything. But if you're someone that requires a lot more than that, then it might not be perfect for you. Also, the deep analytics, some of the advanced features. If you want something that you don't have to pay for some sort of add-on, then Skool might just not be for you. So what's the verdict? Would I build on Skool knowing everything that I know now? Well, yeah, absolutely. Without hesitation, I would 100% build on Skool over any other platform. If you're in the 0.01% that needs more deep customization, or you've got even higher paying clients than what Skool is allowing you to get, then it might not be for you, but I highly doubt that that's the case. In any other case, I would highly recommend 100% that you join Skool as well. So if you want to try it out, in the description below, I've got 2 links. I've got a free 14-day trial for Skool that you can sign up today. And then I've got a link to our free Goosify Skool community where we actually help you start on Skool. Even though the barrier to entry is low, it can still be confusing and overwhelming. And so we help you from A to Z, starting from a beginner to advanced entrepreneur making hundreds of thousands, millions of dollars. And whether or not you've already got your community, I would highly recommend you still join Goosify anyway. Again, it's completely free. We've got weekly calls, we got a free course, we got free templates, and 13,000 other people that trust us as well. So we'll see you there. Have a good one. Peace.